Hey, AlgoDevs! Welcome back to another exciting episode on our journey to becoming masterful developers. I'm Yash Balotiya, your guide through the intricate world of algorithms and coding. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of AlgoDevs. In today's video, we'll be diving into the fundamentals with not one, but two essential C programming steps. So, grab your coding gear, let's roll. Alright, AlgoDevs, let's kick things off with step 1. We have a simple C program that prints the name AlgoDevs on the screen. Take a look at the code on your screen. It's straightforward and perfect for beginners. This program starts with the inclusion of the standard input-output library. This line provides essential functions like printf and scanf. The main function is where the magic happens. The main function is the entry point of our program. Execution begins here. We're using the printf function to display our name, AlgoDevs, on the console. The return 0 indicates the successful execution of the program. The value 0 is typically returned to the operating system. Now, let's see it in action. Executing this program will display name AlgoDevs on the console, and there we have it, a simple yet important first step. Now, let's move on to something a bit more interactive. In step 2, we're taking things up a notch. We're going to modify our program to take user input for the name and then print it back on the screen. This is a great way to get comfortable with user interactions in your programs. In this program, we've introduced a character array, name. That means declaring a character array named name capable of holding 20 characters to store the user's input. We prompt the user to enter their name using printf, and then we use scanf to read that input into our name variable array. The percentage is a format specifier for strings. Finally, we print a personalized message using printf again. Let's see it in action. I'll run the program. And now I can enter my name. Perfect. Now, we've made our program interactive by allowing users to input their names. That concludes today's lesson. AlgoDevs. We've covered two essential steps in C programming. It's crucial to understand these basics before we dive deeper into more complex concepts. Practice makes perfect, so make sure to code along with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on AlgoDevs today. Until next time, happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.